Hello guys, so welcome to a new another episode. It's our second video we are making today, so it's all about this thread GPP card, which I took. It was last week on Friday. So I'll just go through the recap about how I spotted it and how I entered it, the entry, everything. It's all about this Alchemist. Yeah. So the first thing is we came to the 4 hour time frame. Mark the liquidity down here. Is to was too lost, and also it was about here this low, so it gave us our liquidity. So after the liquidity came back here, it gave us these two, which was our 4 hour rejection block. So 4 hour rejection block, and that's always what we do in this strategy. You look for a 4 hour with a liquidity which was taken in a higher time frame, which is 4 hour or 1 hour, but we use 4 hour here because we need to spot our rejection block. So after the 4 hour liquidity, we came to the 4 hour rejection block, which is there, gave us the rejection block, and came back. Is this candle, this T1700 candle came to test our rejection block, and also took the liquidity down here. So all what we wanted is it to retest this rejection block for rejection block, which it did. And after the rejection block has been retested, you drop directly down to 15-minute time frame. Zoom it in. Yeah, it's 15-minute time frame. You see, this was a rejection block. Yeah, this one, leave alone this. That was the liquidity which was taken. This one for our rejection block. Let's see again. Using so for rejection block down there. Yeah. Let's make it green. Yeah. So we come to 15-minute time frame. Yes, it's our rejection block. So after your phone rejection block, have been retested. Yeah. What you do, you come to here, you switch to line chart. You switch to line chart in 15-minute time frame. Line chart in 15-minute time frame, and you look for double break of structure, which is either this, our eye was here, then our low was here. You get it? Yeah, our high was here, then our low was here, then the next high was here, then our next low was here. So our first high was around here. There, you get it? There, you see? You broke it by small margin up here. That was our first high. Like, that's the first break of structure. Then it tested back to here. Then it gave us our low down here, which was not broken after. Then the second eye was here. This eye which broke this eye. So it was here and it was broken there. There. And the red line. You see? So the first thing you do is you start with the 4 time frame, check about like liquidity sweep, then your rejection block or order block, mainly rejection or order block, but mainly rejection block is somehow ideal, but you can use rejection block or order block. After you found your rejection block or order block, mark it. So you've marked it, drop to wait it to be retested at the 4-hour time frame. So our rejection block acts as our POI, point of interest. So it must be retested before you start looking for the entries. So after the 4-hour POI has been retested, you drop to 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute time frame, look for double break of structure, and it's on a line chart, not candle. Line chart. So like, let's take a look at the candles. You see, on our first break of structure, there was no break. That's something you couldn't see. And this red candle here, you'll think that break the structure down here, but no, on a line chart it hasn't. So hope you see the advantages of using the line chart. You spot earlier before it happens. Then after dropping to the line chart on 15 minute and you found your double break of structure, move to your 1 hour for entries. 1 hour for entries. And for 1 hour, you look for an order block. Which it gave us down here, this red candle. See? Your target is the next eye, then the candle you place at the top of the body of the candle, then your stop loss at the lower body of the candle. Just like that. You found your entry at 712 7.86 risk reward ratio. Yeah, so that's it. So about this week, we'll be having like any trade which I'll enter or any setup which I'll spot, I'll review it and I'll post it around here. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.